So you've been hearing about PoppoLive, right? Maybe you've seen people earning from it, but you are still wondering, how does it really work? In this video today, I'm going to be answering your most frequently asked question, from how to register, how agents make their money, how hosts get paid, what to do, how to avoid being banned on the app, multiple ways you can earn money on PoppoLive. So just stick around, because by the end of this video, you are going to know exactly how to succeed on PoppoLive, whether you are a host or you are an agent. Hello, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is IJAPARI Gang, and on this channel we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. So I hope you like my video. Subscribe to my channel. In the description of this video, any video I mention, just check the description. You are going to see me label the video. Just click and watch in case I mention any video that I've already made video on it. So for those that are joining for the first time, PoppoLive is an app that we use to do a lot of things and earn money on it. So the first thing you need to do to start earning on the app is you need to register. So in the description of this video and in the comment section, I will drop a link where you can click to register. And in order not to waste much of your time, I've done a video. I will link it here, or you can just check the description. You'll see where I show you step by step on how to register, do your first authentication, and then boom, you are now on the app. Then the second thing is, how do you get paid? You get paid as you live stream. So as a new host, if you just come to the app, you get paid as you live stream. Especially as a female host, your first 1 hour you are giving 10,000 points, and 10,000 points is equivalent to $1. So, and if you come and you did not violate any of the policy, you can get $1 every day for 7 days. And as a new host, you can be making money by sitting on a party tax, where you get 600 or 700 points per hour, and you get to do 2 hours per day for your first 1 week on the PoppoLive app. So I want to go into practical answering your question one after the other, because I have multiple of them, so as many that as I can take. But before we go there, for those that are new, please, this is what you need to do to avoid violation, because the moment you sign up, you have that liberty for that 1 week. But if you go violating by maybe number one, not putting your face straight on the camera when you are live streaming, you will violate. So they will not be giving you 10,000 points for the first 1 week. They will drop down to 1,000 points, which will be very stressful for you. So please put your face on the camera. Don't go away and be coming back while you are live streaming, as well as make sure the room or wherever you are that you are live streaming from, your background is clear. You don't expose part of your body, and all that is extremely important. So those are the things you need to do to avoid being banned or avoid violation on it. All right, so the first person right here is Patient. She asks, I tried to become an agent on PoppoLive, but I didn't get the code. So first thing first, one thing you should know about all this app is that they keep updating. And please, either PoppoLive or any other app, if you want to update, don't just follow anything to update. Go to your Play Store or Apple Store to update, to avoid any problem. Meanwhile, the first thing you need to do in any app, either Poppo or anything that you are doing, if you are not getting code, you need to update the app. So after you update the app, the next thing you need to do is to clear cache on your phone. Depending on your phone, either iPhone or Android, you can just go to your setting and check your storage and then clear cache. Then the third thing you need to do again is to go to PoppoLive and click on setting, and you see where you can clear your cache inside the app, so that you'll be able to get notification for anything you do within the app. The second question I have right here is from SDX Dawn, and it says, hello ma'am, please, I just become an agent through your link, but my dashboard isn't having agency dashboard, but asking me to log in through PC. Yes, so the same answer applies to you to update your app. The moment you register and become an agent, you need to update the app. In case your app is not updated, you can just minimize out and come back, it will show. Or you can also clear the cache on both your phone setting and within the app. So for those that are asking questions on how to become an agent, so on PoppoLive you can also become an agent, but before you become an agent you must become a host. So in order not to make this video too lengthy, I've done a video, less than 2 minutes video on how you can become an agent. But in case that particular video is too fast for you, in the comment section of that video I also dropped a 14-minute video explaining in detail about Poppo agency, because becoming an agent is another way you can make money. I ordered this here from Aloma and it's kind of disturbing me. It's my 40th birthday in November 17. So please have that in mind. Okay, we are going to celebrate and there will be giveaway. We are going to celebrate both on Poppo and on right here on YouTube. So please feel free, engage. Tell me happy birthday in advance. I greatly appreciate that. I'll be 40. It's not a small thing. So the next question, please. I know, please, if you are the kind of fast person, that means this my channel is not for you, because all work without play make Jack or whatever a dull boy. So the next question I have right here is from Agostina, and he said, I want to join your agency. To join my agency is very simple, but before I tell you how to join my agency, I do tell people one thing, and one thing for sure. You don't expect me to be there 24 hours to answer your question, and that is why I take my time right here to answer question. And I've done over 100 videos about this app, answering your most frequently asked question. So please don't expect that I'll be there 24/7. The best place to get me on the internet is on my YouTube channel. Reason why I love answering question in the comment section of my YouTube is because when I answer one person, 1,001 or even 1 million persons can still access the answer. So yes, so to join my agency, here's my ID 3557180. So go to PoppoLive. Once you have signed up, you can click on my agent and then put my ID, or another way you can click on the settings on the PoppoLive and you see my agency. You click on it and put 3557180, and voila, you have joined my agency. And if you want to become an agent also, the link to join to become an agent is in the description of this video and in the comment section. So the next question I have right here is from Ochere. Sorry if I did not pronounce your name very well. I'm terrible at pronouncing names. So it was like, okay, ma'am, once you upgrade to level S, which is earning 70,000 points per hour with Poppo, will Poppo still bring you down after 7 days if you did not do exchange or level S permanently? So what this person is asking is about leveling up, and for those that want a detailed answer about leveling up, I've made a video about how to level up on Poppo. So what this means is that on PoppoLive you can actually upgrade to be earning more points. Like as a level S agent, you'll be getting 70,000 points per hour, and you will do like up to 5 or 6 hours live stream a day. So what he's asking is that if you have upgraded yourself to that level, will you be dropped down or you permanently receive on that level? You will be dropped down. Whatsoever exchange you do, it only serve you for 7 days. After 7 days, you'll be dropped down to ordinary agent or ordinary host, right? Or ordinary live streamer or ordinary whatever. So yes, so the best thing is just be you, do what suits you, but definitely they will bring you down. There's nothing like permanent on that app, okay? Even me, with every video I do, don't be surprised that tomorrow if I violate, they will kick me out. But you go pay me, sha. All right, the next question is from Malicious Chola. Sorry if I pronounce your name wrongly. So he said, hi ma'am, let's say I open my panel for people to ask and I want to task to how to go to someone panel with without checking out from mine. So what she means is that if she will open her panel, right, and she's doing live streaming and other people are sitting on the panel and she wants to go and do her party tasks in another panel, how do you do? So this is how I do mine. So I have 2 phones. I sign up on Poppo, the same account on my 2 phones. So if I open my panel with my iPhone now and people are seated there, the next thing I will do, I will just bring down and put my phone on flight mode. Then I'll now go in to Poppo with my other phone and get a place to do my party tasks Once I sit down, I'll come back here and on I remove the fly mode, and it will be reading. I'll be doing live stream here, I'll be doing party here, and my panel is open. Like, that's what I do. You can do that on multiple phones. So that's the cheat code. Nobody told me, but I just think of that. Technology, clap for me, I'm a genius. All right, so the next question I have right here is from Yapo. Please forgive me. Good afternoon, ma'am. Please, I'm new on Popo, and as a level 5 I become an agent, and sincerely I have many questions, but the first one is, how can I convert someone point on my coins on the app? So there's the best way to convert. If you want to convert your coins to points, I have done a video on that. You can do that. It's very simple. But if you have coins and you want to change it to points, you can do exchange. But if you have points and you want to change it to coins, you can do it this way. I dropped the video right here, just by you clicking and then inputting how much you want to do, and voila, it's very simple. So the next question I have right here is from Annie Basi, and it was like, please, how can I earn free coins? So I've done this video showing you like 7 ways you can earn free coins on PoppoLive, so you can just go watch that video. And I can see another question from Victor. Can I play games without going live and making better money on PoppoLive? Yes, yes. There are a lot of people that they don't even go live, they don't go live stream and other things, and you don't have to open panel. You can still play game. You can even join somebody's party without sitting there and then click on games. On the dashboard, you can click on games and all that. But it has been updated. Why is nobody talking about the new updated Popo? All right, so here Eddie is asking, hello ma, please a video on how to rank as a host. Thank you. So for you to rank as a host, you need to pay attention to everything that is happening on PoppoLive. You need to be active. All right, if there is the ranking, it depends on what's going on. And one thing I love about PoppoLive is that there are so many activities, different activities going on that app. So all you need to do is pay attention to activity. If it is about game, you to also go play it so that you can rank higher, right? If it is about invite more people, you rank higher, you gain. If it is about earning as an agent, do that. So it's nothing hard about ranking. What ranking means is just you knowing the specific thing that you want to rank about, and then put more effort and focus on it. One thing that stands me out on Popo is this: in everything I do about my life, like, I check what I'm good at and I stick to it, because I read a book, One Thing. So that book, One Thing, shows how people that have made something so remarkable focus on one thing and they master it so much that they can now do others. So when PoppoLive came, I never knew it can change my life this much, honestly. But when I check, there are a lot of ways, different things you can do on that app. But I ask myself, what am I good at? I'm terrible at game. Like, I can just learn everything, teach you, but me sitting and be playing, I don't do that often. Who sent me to buy this long hair? God, I beg. If person ask me now, I go say, I dey play. God, I beg, God, please give me a like. I'm setting my birthday is coming closer. So yeah, see me. All right, so I see that one thing that I love doing is teaching. So I now check, okay, now that I love teaching people practical. I'm one person that I can explain something that to a year-old child and you understand. So I now put my effort on that and now check what are the reward that I will gain. I get reward from referral. I also get reward from opening an agency and all that. So it's very important you know what you are good at. So don't look at ranking in every area. Check what you are good at and then check what you can do to rank, right? So I have another question from Esther, and she said, please ma, how do I collect reward after buying VIP? It's simple. So you just click on reward, right? Just go on your app on Popo, click on reward and you receive it. You see receive, you receive it. It's that simple. So, and the next question I have is, please link to video on how to learn about crypto. So yes, on this channel we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. I love crypto. I do crypto so much, but I don't talk much about it, because one thing I understand about people is that when they are making money, they will not say anything. They will not even come and tell you thank you, let alone give you small share. But if they lose, they will drag you. And as a mother of 4 kids, to protect my life, my children, I don't like talking about it much, but crypto is something that I do frequently. So I have a playlist video of a video I'll drop in the description of this video for those that want to learn about cryptocurrency. Or you can just comment crypto so that I will just give you the playlist. All right. So I think we should call it a day. I've been talking since. So if you want a part 2 of this, please comment part 2, because I have a lot of questions that need answer. If you have not liked this video, what thing I do you? What thing I do you? I'm climbing the 4th ladder. I'm climbing the 4th ladder. If I told you don't have anything to tell me my hair is beautiful. Tell me happy birthday in advance. Tell me thank you for everything. So I'm also looking at I'm filming this video. I don't know when I'm editing it. I'm filming this video on 28th of October 2025, and I'm looking at from first I will start sharing about my life, at least for 17 days. From November 1st to 17, I'll be like, my name is IJAPARI, and I'll start telling you about my life, how I moved from 0 to where I am at. Where I'm at might not be that far, but I believe there are someone somewhere, even if it is one person, that will get inspired by my story. So thank you so much. If you have not liked the video, please do. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. On this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. Did I tell you that I have started my PhD? Go girl! Bye!